Fresh perspective is so huge. I would often assume that like experience is everything in a lot of pursuits. But as I've entered into Ford, such a large company, I realize more and more that having a fresh set of eyes on something is sometimes exactly what you need to solve a problem.
What we've learned is a lot of people have always said that how robots can take human jobs and it's bad and everything. This was a fresh perspective because it showed how they could actually improve a worker's life when talking about industry.
A sprint was a fast-paced competition where we grabbed 2 high school classes, partnered them up with 2 Ford plants, and then gave them a challenging project to work on over about a 3-month course period.
So we want to make sure that when we deliver our vehicles to our customers, they look pristine. And one of the things the students have been working on is coming up with protective tool covers with our assembly aids.
Fern Creek, we have projects where automation, so MP&L on the LARC is a big scope, takes up a lot of time in manufacturing. So we're trying to see if they can relate to using automation and AMRs, AGVs, and see if they can replicate a job in our plant to help save money, save time, and save employees.
It really began with Liz, my boss, having a conversation with somebody from Ford NGL. And so this was seen as an opportunity to try and find local talent that would be interested to enter the plants to learn more about manufacturing operations and find out if manufacturing engineering or anything really under the purview of manufacturing is something they'd be interested in pursuing post-graduation.
I've never been in a factory before, and seeing how many machines they had running was quite interesting. The one thing that surprised me was seeing how many workers and individual specific jobs that they had. Jobs that you didn't need a college degree for, jobs that they'd be like, hey, I can do this. Teach me how to do it.
Unlike if you get an in-class work, it's, oh yeah, I did the work. I did it, but it's never gonna be something realistic. It's not something that's gonna happen in real life. You're getting challenged by something you would never expect to get, especially even though you're a senior in high school, you don't expect yourself to get a work that not even an intern for Ford would get.
But we figured that we didn't want to give the students a fake project, right? We wanted them to have something that was tangible and real for our business.
Fresh minds, fresh eyes. We've been working on the same things forever. We see these things, but you have no idea where these ideas come from. And one of these guys is going to be the next one with the best ideas.
The students, they really exceeded my expectations. They got a very difficult task in an extremely short time frame and were able to come here, present in front of the directors, and come up with tangible solutions. And I hope that this is something that continues to be pursued across our manufacturing facilities, because this exposure to young talent, I think, is invaluable.